This is problem number 6 from the H1-4 homework. The problem reads 3/5 x minus 1/10 x equals x minus 5/2. The directions are to solve for x by eliminating the fractions first. Let's go ahead there and do that. We want to figure out what our least common denominator would be so that we can multiply everything and divide by those denominators and get rid of them. So we need something that's divisible by 5. It's got to be divisible by 10, and it has to be divisible by 2. So when you think about what numbers would work there, right? Well, 10 is divisible by 10. It's divisible by 5, and it's divisible by 2. So we're going to go ahead and use 10 as our value that would be the least common denominator. Let's multiply both sides by that value. So as we do this, 10 times 3 is 30, and then if we divide it by 5, we get 6x. If you do 10 times 1 is 10, divided by 10, we go back to 1, so minus 1x, or minus x. And then over here, we're going to distribute. We have 10 times that x would be 10x. And then 10 times 5 is 50, divided by 2 would be 25, so minus 25. Combine our like terms on the left, we should have a 5x is equal to 10x minus 25. And let's see here, I'm going to move my variables onto the same side, so I'm going to subtract 10x. In this case, it's going to give me a negative value for my variable, but that's okay. We have negative 5x is equal to negative 25. And now we can just divide each side by a negative 5, and you see that x equals a positive 5. So we're thinking that should be the answer for this one. Let's check it. We've got 3/5 times 5 minus 1/10 times 5 is equal to 5 minus 5/2. 3/5 times 5 is going to be 3. We have 5 times 10, 1/10 would be 5/10, and 5/10 is the same thing as 1/2. And over here we've got 5 minus 5/2. Well, 5/2 is 2.5, so we basically have like 5 minus 2.5. So 3 minus 1/2 is 2.5, and 5 minus 2.5 is 2.5. So we know that we're correct. If you wanted to use a calculator to help you check in that one, no problem. All right, that is problem number 6. If you have questions, please reach out.